Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys had a great start to 2021. 2020 is behind us, so let's get 2021 moving. I will be posting a lot more content this year. I got a whole new setup. As you can see, I got a mic now. I got some lights. I got a new desk. 2021 is the year of content, and my goal this year is to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. So hopefully I can reach that this year. I just have to keep grinding videos.
Ride with me through the journey of more success.
If you run Facebook ads, you might be familiar with, Facebook sending the customer a survey asking, how this company did, which is, your dropshipping store. The questions they would be asking is, how was the customer service? How was the shipping? How was the quality of the product? And this could really mess up a lot of stores. So the usual time that Facebook sends a survey is about 2 weeks after they purchase. And if you're shipping from China, it will literally take 4 to 5 weeks for the customer to even get it. So they will be getting the survey in 2 weeks, but the product in like a month. So the survey is going to be very, very bad. And if you keep getting bad scores from your customers, that means Facebook can disable your ad account and shut down your Facebook page that you are advertising from. So that is a big no-no. So by the time Facebook sends the survey after 8 weeks, odds are they're going to have the product, they're going to be happy with it, or they might just forget about, maybe doing the survey. So how can you really change this? Can you change it from 2 weeks to 8 weeks? Yes. So I'm going to have a link below in the description so you can change that ASAP. So all you have to do is click that link and it's going to take you to a Facebook page like settings where you can change it from 2 weeks to 8 weeks. So now you don't really have to stress about that survey as much because it will be 8 weeks, which is over a month, and your Facebook review score should be a lot higher. Just remember to click that link in the description. It's going to take you to that Facebook settings survey where you can change it from 2 weeks to 8 weeks and you'll be set. But yeah, I got you guys. I got to help you guys out.
They want to kick you when you down, but they want to kick it with you when you up. Stop. Stay focused.
So if you guys like this little tip, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I really appreciate you guys. If you guys have any ideas of any videos I should create, comment down below. I will see you guys very soon. Good luck on your dropshipping journey. I will be here to help.